Hi friends, I'm Vaishali. My team members are Manjula and Kriba. Our project title is Implementation of Visible Light Communication using Li-Fi technology. Initially, the data are transmitted by using the hyperterminal, that is, serial communication has been done. Rescan and connect options are clicked to check the device and connection availability. Here the medium which we have used is visible light. We have designed a prototype model of Li-Fi technology. Data to be transmitted are texted in the terminal. Li-Fi is the optical version of Wi-Fi. Li-Fi data is transmitted by LED bulb and received by the photoreceptors, that is photodiode. Li-Fi technology would be the best optimum solution over the Wi-Fi technology. Now, the data which we have transmitted in the hyperterminal can be displayed by using the LCD. It can also be used to extend the wireless technology at your home, office and university. Both Wi-Fi and Li-Fi transmits the data over electromagnetic spectrum, but whereas Wi-Fi utilizes the radio waves, Li-Fi utilizes visible light. In the already exist system, this technology have used invisible light, that is infrared light have been used. The project is divided into two major blocks. One is transmitter, another one is receiver session. In the transmitter session, the data from the source is fed into the microcontroller with synchronous clock pulse. The interference is made by using RS-232 from source to microcontroller. The PIC microcontroller processes the data with the help of ADC. Then it provides the bits of information to LED. In the receiver part, the light signal from the LED is received by the photodiode. Output of the photodiode is given to the PIC to reconstruct the data transmitted. On the left hand side you can see the transmitter session, and on the right hand side you can see the receiver session. The transmitted data is displayed in LCD. The main advantage of using this particular technology is it can be used in more electromagnetic sensitive areas such as aircraft, cabins, hospitals and nuclear power plant without causing any electromagnetic interference. Here the data communication will be taken place using the medium visible light, that is LED, without any loss. The distance can be increased by using the laser diode instead of LED.